Okay. Isha, are you recording? Oh shit! I'm sorry. They are going in each direction. Oh my god, I said give me the I think so. But I was standing in one place. Isha, please start. Are you recording? There's looking. Oh my god, they're dying together. Where are you? I need your help. Don't come up. They're still fighting. They're sleeping. Grandpa is like a goat. Animal goat. Oh, just more. Grandpa is fine. I speak in English. We are not Tamilians. I mean, we are in India. So where is why? We don't know Tamil. We are English. I think they're down because no one is found up. Shoot her. Shoot her. Okay. I think Kelava also down. I see you. Where are you from? Like where is the bullet, idiot? Where is Kelava? Bullet, idiot. What is that? I think it's down only. I don't know. Like, I think Kelava is going up. I don't know. And inside it go. Even terrorists think like a good thing. No, that's grandpa. We are not familiar. Oh, shoot. Hey, that's because of Okay, she will. I think Granny will come up to. I think Adam. Put the sound. No, I'm not. No, put the sound. Just okay. Put the. That's my boy. Okay. Okay, I already found that. What? Pa. I literally trapped the file. Police. Okay. We're still in the day one. That's good. Sister, come out. This side. That Kuti Chadam. That pants there. I already there. Kill that boy. That's my boy. And take the bullet again. Take the bullet. Hey, look there. Look up there. Let me shoot her. Look. No, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Right. She's invisible. Then Kelava will come. Yeah, hide. Because. Robert. Look at up. What will? Okay. This Kelly is Manjuvan. Okay, I'm putting sound. That's right. You're being cooked. Oh, chicken. Pa. Is Kelly coming? Kelly in the spot. I think Kelly is up there. Wait, let me put this thing in there. Here. Pa. Great chicken. What the hell? I don't need doctor. Yes, I need your help. Come up. Please. I need your help. Huh? Please. Come up. Romma. Climb the ladder. And then shoot that red button. There. can shoot.
Like this. Yeah.
Yeah. Only like it. Are you serious right now, bro? Wait, I put crowbar somewhere. I think Kelly is multiplying.
Hey, you put the crowbar down there.
Yeah, I forgot. Okay, can you go down? Come down.
You go.
Huh? Kelly's not. Oh, Kelly has waken up.
Next week, I don't have it.
You stay. Okay.
No, this game on that.
Oh my god, I found gasoline. We need only two. I don't know.
My yeah, what? Play for go. Okay.
Kablav. Wow, weapon key. I want to test the weapon key, but not now.
No, the camera is not done.
One weapon key. We need only one.
I am modifying the display.
Wow, look at that kissing each other.
Oh.
Don't please move. Look at this too. Isha, don't shoot Tata. Don't shoot Tata. Why? Because I need to test Tata. Shotgun. Please don't shoot Grandpa. Please. Oh, Kelly's Manju, don't shoot Grandpa, please.
Oh my gosh, that was impossible. I don't know what I did.
Don't shoot Grandpa, please. Kelly,
Yeah.
in the kitchen, she's coming in kitchen.
Oh my gosh, now he's talking coming in the cat time.
Shoot only Kelly.
Go ahead.
Don't shoot Grandpa. What the hell?
Dad, what the hell is that? I'm laughing them.
Okay, where is Grandpa?
Grandpa is up and the gun is also.
But I took it.
Yeah.
Now tell me where is Grandpa? Tree camp.
You should get a teleport.
Please.
Grandpa, stand. Grandpa,
He's Appa.
see here.
Okay.
I tell him.
Hey, he's going to that to be ready.
Is it dancing?
Yeah.
No.
See, Kelly? There is not. Where is Kelly going?
Salama going down.
In which side?
This side. Downstairs. Bro, why am I thinking?
Kelly? Wow. Tala. Patak. Tala.
Okay,
Okay. But there's only one bullet. Okay?
I want to work out. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Quickly take the gun up. Quickly take the gun up.
Yeah.
And kill the Kelvin first. Because there's up, in more up, there's ammo.
Let me just take my shot. Bullet gun.
Take that. First kill the Kelvin. Because she's the main.
No, she's gone.
She's up. Put the sound. She's coming. What?
No, you must go. No, please, I want that gun. Please, that's why I came here. Please.
Okay. Can I shoot this grandpa?
Yeah.
Where's grandpa?
Kelly, you just died in the kitchen.
Kelava?
Don't tell me Kelava is up.
It's up, I think. Where is Kelava?
I did.
This is Kelava. Yes.
I need to one side get ready to cash out it. Get in. Oh, grandpa is
Is Grandpa come?
where is he?
He's in there.
Where?
Romba down. Go down and see.
Get in.
Please, go down.
What happened?
Someone is chasing me. Oh, wow, that's Kelava. I shoot him here. He's doing like this.
What happened to him?
I don't know.
No, Kelly does not fight. I don't know where she's gone now. Where is?
She's chasing me. Yeah, I'm up.
Idiot.
Okay, we need
Oh
to.
my gosh, I have two dead bodies.
I need to find the only boat key. And we taking time.
Grandpa, don't wake up, okay? Because I'm also playing Granny. Granny.
I don't know where's that boat key. Because we almost find everything. Is it here? Oh my god! I found the boat key. We're going to escape. Isha, by the way, don't escape quickly. We need to take our guns. Boat gun.
Tata Pati. Tutu Tata Pati.
Let's Kelly and Kelpa.
Da, 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 da. Kevin is not even watching it. Why am I walking?
What about Kelava? What about Kelavi?
Let's even marry.
What the hell? Put down quickly.
No, she will die. She will marry the skin.
Dude,
No, she will die. It has a marry.
put this down, please.
No, she's literally up.
I'm literally doing my work here, please.
Okay, see that.
Please, dude, put this down there.
She is fine, wait. See, I told you.
You said,
Oh my god, grandpa and granny were together. Grandpa.
Isha, take the gun. I need to take that another gun.
Okay.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Okay, we're going to escape. Isha, come past in the fever.
Wait, I'm just doing the job here.
Please, come. We're going to escape in the boat with the gun.
Bye, grandpa. Bye bye. Never see you again. Da 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 da. Bye.
In the fever.
Go da.
Yeah. Come fast. Hold the gun. I already took this gun. Sit. 3, 2, 1. Okay, are you?
Yeah. Sir.
Why?
It's okay.
Hey! We escaped.